Solapur, known for its textile industry and rich cultural heritage, also has a diverse food culture. Here are the top 10 restaurants in Solapur that you must explore. The first one is Kamal Restaurant. Kamal Restaurant is a favorite among locals for its authentic Maharashtrian thalis and vegetarian meals. The food is homely, affordable, and served with warmth. Popular items include puran poli, dal and sabzi served with bakri. It is a family-friendly restaurant with a simple, neat ambience. The second one is Hotel Surya International Restaurant. This restaurant inside Hotel Surya International offer multi-cuisine dishes ranging from Indian to Chinese and continental. Their North Indian curries, biryanis, and tandoori items are highly recommended. The place is elegant, making it suitable for both families and business travelers. The third one is Priya Restaurant. Priya Restaurant is popular for its vegetarian and South Indian dishes. Their dosas, idlis, and filter coffee are much loved by regulars. The restaurant also serves North Indian food and thalis. It is a dependable option for a quick, affordable meals. The fourth one is Shahi Darbar Restaurant. Known for Mughlai and North Indian cuisine, Shahi Darbar is the go-to spot for kebabs, biryanis, and rich gravies. The portions are generous and the flavor are authentic. The royal style interior enhance the dining experience, making it a great choice for foodies. The fifth one is Hotel Tripur Sundari Restaurant. Located inside Hotel Tripur Sundari, this fine dining restaurant offers a wide range of Indian and international dishes. The ambience is classy with attentive staff. Their vegetarian and non-vegetarian buffets are especially popular among guests. The next one is Sri Krishna Bhavan, one of the oldest and most iconic eateries in Solapur. Sri Krishna Bhavan is known for its authentic Maharashtrian snacks and meats. Beer, misal pav, poha, and thali pizza are top sellers. The taste is traditional and the pricing is budget friendly. The next one is Hotel Panchavati. Hotel Panchavati is a pure vegetarian restaurant serving delicious thalis at North Indian cuisine. Their paneer dishes, dal fry, and chapatis are especially appreciated. It is a simple, clean, and family-friendly place. The next one is Seven Spices Family Restaurant. This multi-cuisine restaurant offers Indian, Chinese, and continental food with a modern touch. The interiors are vibrant and the menu caters to both vegetarian and non-vegetarians. Their sizzlers and chicken starters are particularly popular. The second last is Meghdoot Restaurant. Meghdoot is well known for its vegetarian delicacies and South Indian meals. Their masala dosa, uttapam, and thalis are worth trying. The restaurant has a relaxed casual dining atmosphere, perfect for families and groups. The last one is Hotel Pratham Residency Restaurant. This restaurant serves a mix of Indian, Chinese, and continental dishes. Their biryani, kebabs, and paneer presentations are favorite among visitors. The ambience is decent with friendly staff, making it good option for both tourists and locals.